YouTube. I'll be posting more about the Nazareth Mission mixtape on the Beyond the Beyond channel. Yeah, bow, anything is possible. This is Finko. I'm the artist. I rap, I make music, I'm a musician, I own a brand, Beyond the Beyond. So I'm trying to I'm trying to promote everything, like the brand and all of that, you understand, and the music, and yeah. So I'll appreciate your support. Please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share. You understand? Don't forget to press the notification button bell. You understand? So I'm working on my tape. So I'll appreciate your support and all of that shit. Let me know what you think, what you want me to do next, what you want me to drop, but via Musical.ly. So I'll be posting everything, that I'll be showing like everything about the tape, what you need to see, the work, the journey through the process of making the whole tape to be what it's supposed to be, what I want it to be, and all of that. And I'll appreciate your comment, letting me know what you think. I'll be posting shit, so you'll be commenting. Please comment. As a matter of fact, please comment. Let me know what you think, what I need to do to make this tape to be a successful tape. And yeah, man, like, let the journey begin, dog. Beyond the beyond, anything is possible. Let's just make shit real. Chase your dreams, believe in yourself, anything is possible. Never let anyone tell you that you can't do shit or you can't be shit. Don't let them do that. Don't let them tell you that. Believe in yourself, stay determined, believe in your dreams, stay